Everything is in full leaf, and the big banks of trees right in the middle of the big sand tongues seems to create quite an interesting cavern. Very little light that is actually penetrating through, and it's an amazing little sanctuary that is formed. It was very cool. The ground actually is quite damp still, and it was just an ideal place for the herd just to really unwind. This breeding herd were very, very relaxed. You can see a couple of the youngsters actually lying flat on the ground. You don't see that often. What I really enjoyed about the inside of this forest is that it created some very sort of Rembrandt-y kind of images. Very, very dark shadows, and elephants being quite dark themselves, you seem to lose them in and out of the shadows. And then the high contrast with the ivory that shines. We watched one or two of the sub-adults just prying a little bit of bark from the ebonies they were standing under. Elephants find quite important minerals from the bark of trees. They spend a lot of time pulling bark off. It's really a big part of their diet. Spent a lot of time sniffing and smelling the best place to pull a piece of bark off, and really spent a bit of time getting what they needed before turning and just disappearing and carrying on through the forest.